Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a QR code in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, open your project in Canva. Then, navigate to the left side and click on Apps. Next, click on the search bar and type in QR code exactly as shown. Click on the option provided by Canva itself, and then click on Open. Now, you can enter the URL that people will be directed to when they scan the QR code. In this case, you'll want to input your YouTube channel link here. You can paste the link by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or simply type it in manually. You have the option to expand and customize the QR code. For instance, you can change the background color from the default white to gray, red, or any color you prefer. However, I'll keep it traditional with black and white. You can also adjust the margin to your liking. Once you're satisfied, click on Generate Code to create the QR code. Now you can click on it and position it wherever you want. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.